Hello Junior 2. Let's make a quick revision about we have studied in the last week. Okay, so in last week we took rounding to the nearest 10. Okay, so we have song to make a rounding. What is this song? First, circle the number. Second, look to the next door. If it's 4 or less, just ignore. Okay, 5 or more, add 1 more. Again, circle the number. Look to the next door. If it's 4, 3, 2, 1, we just ignore, okay? So if it's 5 or more, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, we add 1 more. So circle the number. We circle which number, Junior 2? We circle the number we want to make a rounding for it, okay? So here, in the last week, we take rounding to the nearest 10. So if I have number like 37, okay, so make a rounding to the nearest 10. So we have ones and tens. Circle the number in tens. So we're gonna circle 3. Make round for this 3. So look to the next door. So the next door here is 7. So 7 is more than 5. So add 1 more. Add 1 more to the number. You make a circle. So you make circle to 3. So add 1 more to 3. It will be 4. And here in ones we put 0. Okay, so if we want to make rounding to 37, it will be 40. Okay, let's take another one. If I have number like 41, okay, make a rounding to the nearest 10. Ones and tens. Circle the number in tens. Look to the next door. The next door here is 1. So if it's 4 or less, just ignore. So 1 is from the weak numbers, so it doesn't give me any number. So 1, we just ignore here 1 and put 0, and this 4, write it as the same. So the rounding for 41, it will be 40. Okay, so now open your booklet on page 90. Okay, and here estimate the sum and the different rounding strategy. Okay, so here 83. If you want to make a rounding to 83, it will be 80, because here we round 8. Okay, so 3 doesn't give me another one, so we ignore, and it will be 80. And here 26. Okay, make a rounding to 26. So circle the number 2. Look to the next door. The next door is 6. 6 from the not weak numbers. It's from, yes, 6. Give me another one. So we add 1 to 2. It will be 30. So 0 is 0, 0 out. 8 plus 3, it will be 11. Okay, so here 67. Ones and tens. Okay, we want to make a rounding for 67. We circle the number 6. Okay, and look to the next door. The next door is 7. So 7 is from weak numbers? No, it's from, yes, strong numbers. So 7, give me another one. So we add 1 to 6, it will be 7, and put here 0. Here 18. If you want to make rounding to 18, it will be 20. So 0 is 0, 0 out. 7 plus 2, it will be 9. Here 71. Ones and tens. Circle the number in tens. Look to the next door. The next door here is 1. So 1, yes, we just ignore 1. It will be 70. And here 22. So circle the number in tens. Look to the next door. The next door here is 2. So 2 is from the weak, yes, weak numbers. So we just ignore this 2, and it will be 20. So 0 minus 0, 0 out, and 7 minus 2, yes, count after the smaller number, count after 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes, it will be 5. Okay, here 34. So ones and tens, circle the number 3. Look to the next door is 4. So 4, yes, we just ignore 4, it will be 30. Okay, here 11. Circle the number in tens. Look to the next door is 1. 1 is from the weak points, weak numbers. So, yes, we ignore, it will be 10. So 0 is 0, 0 out. 3 plus 1, it will be 40. Okay, so you can solve the rest of the page at the homework, Junior 2.